William Wagner here for On Second Thought. Taking my hat off for you people that still care about justice, dwindling few of us. Richard Fine, the attorney who was disbarred, being held 19 months in a Los Angeles County jail falsely on the crooked and biased orders of Judge YAFFE for the crime of not giving his money to pay their attorney's fees, the judge's attorney's fees, because Richard Fine caught the 400 judges taking open bribes. And for the crime of proving it to the Appellate Court of California, Judge YAFFE ordered Richard Fine to jail. That's basically what happened. I just wanted to confirm, which I have done with Dr. Shirley Moore, Fred Soto, Attorney Gary Zerman, that Richard Fine has been released. His wife has called a few people to let him know he was released last Friday on orders, apparently, of Judge YAFFE, who apparently wanted to release him before Judge YAFFE retired. Judge YAFFE should be removed from office, stripped of his judgeship, and put in jail for abuse and for violating his oath of office. Because remember, Richard Fine is the attorney at the time who won the case, and he shouldn't have gone to jail for winning. But our crooked legislature, over-dominated by crooked attorneys, passed SBX 211 in the second week of February 2009, making it retroactively legal to bribe judges if you are the county of Los Angeles or some other county corporation for some other county. Where prior to that time, it was illegal for them to take any salary except their state salary, because basically all the judges have now been reduced to state employees. They get a state salary since 1988. So for the Los Angeles to continue paying monthly extra money was proven at the appellate court to be a violation of the law. Richard Fine won that, and for winning, Judge YAFFE put him in jail for contempt. That's all it really comes down to. We'd like to get Judge YAFFE's comments, but he's not talking. Maybe if a special grand jury indicts him, puts him in jail, he'll be willing to do an interview then. Meanwhile, it's good news for Mrs. Fine and for Richard Fine. And we look forward to a fundraising dinner to help Richard Fine financially, because 19 months of being incarcerated for winning his case has caused him financial damage. This is William Wagner reminding you, freedom has a price. And Richard Fine shouldn't have paid that whole price all by himself for being right, for proving that you can't get a fair hearing in Los Angeles when you're up against any government agency of Los Angeles, because Los Angeles County pays bribes to the judges illegally. And that SBX 211, that needs to be repealed or struck down as unlawful by the U.S. Supreme Court. I'm William Wagner saying thanks for watching. See you.